After patiently waiting for the last 3 weeks for this to arrive, it's the Samsung Smart Monitor 32-inch model M7. Thank you, insiders, for giving me another opportunity to test out new products that are out in the market. So you're probably wondering, well, what's the big deal about a 32-inch monitor? Well, this monitor, think of it as a TV as well. So this is a smart monitor that has all the streaming apps that you would normally with a smart TV. So instead of having a TV and a monitor in the office, this is kind of like the all-in-one experience. So this is a 4K screen, 32 inches, made by Samsung. This is my unboxing. Let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like inside the box. We got our our stand, base, our accessories. Looks like a power cable, USB-C cable of some sort, and remote control. So let me pull this out of the box and get it set up. Alright, so here's the back of the monitor. So we got a VESA plate, backing support for mounts, additional accessories like a small PC mounting kit in back, your power cable. You got your 2 HDMIs, your USB-C, looks like it's a 65 watt, 3 USB ports, one says service. So let me mount this up and power it up. So here's the monitor all powered up. I was able to clean up my work surface. Got my computer standing up vertically right here, and pretty excited to get this thing going. Install my apps and sign into my accounts, and the sounds great during the enrollment of the monitor. So it asked me for my Wi-Fi information, you know, license and agreement kind of thing. But here it is. Here's the product. Haven't got my keyboard and mouse hooked up yet, but let me get that hooked up and we'll go there. So as you can tell, if you have a looks like a especially a Samsung smartphone, you can do wireless DeX. If you don't know what DeX is the desktop experience using your Samsung mobile device. So like using a computer, desktop, Windows or Mac, you can get a desktop experience using your Android phone. If you hooked up your USB cable or USB connection to a display, so like a HDMI input type of monitor, if you plugged in where you would charge your phone and had the other end be an HDMI or a screen that supports USB-C, you can get a complete desktop interface where you can use a keyboard or mouse. It's pretty awesome. It's lightweight. It's like using Windows or Chrome OS. You can't use the same apps, but again, focusing back on the monitor, you can do a wireless DeX experience. So instead of using the cable, you could just tap the screen in the corner and it'll give you that same experience. So here we go. I finished the enrollment to the screen, and this is my laptop that's directly connected to it. So what I like about the monitor versus a TV, per se, especially a 32-inch TV, whenever I connected my computers up to a TV, though it's a bigger screen, it just doesn't seem crisp. It doesn't seem as detailed. You know, when I put on a movie or a video game, those look great, but every time I hooked up the computer, it wasn't there. Well, since this is actually a monitor that does things like a TV, I can tell you right now, looking at the 4K screen, it's crisp. It doesn't look like a TV. It looks like a monitor. So let me log in. So I can definitely tell you, browsing through the web, opening my apps, the screen is extremely bright, vivid, crisp, clear, no distortion. So that is my unboxing of the Samsung Smart Monitor M7. Feel free to drop any comments or questions below. Thank you.